Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. I want to talk about Bitcoin runes today, take a look at the state of the market. Since my last video, we've had a little bit of a pullback and now things are starting to heat up again. So I want to show you some things I look at when analyzing these on Magic Eden, and then maybe we'll buy some dog at the end. First thing I like to do is sort it by volume, and by default it's going to show one day. You can see Dog of the Moon has done over 25 Bitcoin, and this $1 billion cat has been surging. It's done over 20 Bitcoin in the last day in volume. This one has been on fire, so we'll take a closer look at this one. PIGGED-by-PIGGY has done 6 Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. So I always like to start by sorting it by 1 day volume and then kind of going down from there. So if we go to 6 hour, $1 billion cat has overtaken Dog of the Moon in the last 6 hours in volume, trading over 9 Bitcoin. Let's take a closer look at first Dog of the Moon. So you can see the floor right now is at 10.2 sats per dog. Magic Eden has been adding features. We've also integrated trading view, which is really nice. This gives you a much better look at where things are potentially going and where they've been. Some technical analysis you can do. If we look at the daily chart on dog, there has been a dip. Looks to be bouncing right here, but who knows. One other thing I've noticed, they've added this swap. When I click on it, nothing happens right now, but this is going to be really nice if you're able to swap your runes, for other runes. This is really interesting. Again, it's just spinning right now, nothing's happening. So I'm just assuming this is coming really soon. So watch out for this swap. That would be really nice to be able to do that. You can see right now it's 33 pending buys on Dog of the Moon. Has over 72,000 holders, and the market cap is just under 700 million. If we go out to CoinGecko and we sort it by categories, meme tokens across all chains, you can see that right now Dog of the Moon is just ahead of BOEM, Book of Meme, which is a Solana meme coin, and then just below Brett. So we're at 710. Brett's at 1.5 billion. So quite a gap there between these two here, and then just above it you'll see obviously Bonk's at 1.9 billion, Floki, Dog with Hat is at 2.6 billion. So if your thesis is that meme coins on Bitcoin, the largest chain with the most liquidity, have a good opportunity to overtake meme coins on other chains like Solana, Ethereum, and layer 2s like Base, then I think even at 710 million it feels like it's still early for a coin like Dog Go to the Moon, as well as a lot of these other runes. Not financial advice, do your own research. This is just for education, entertainment purposes only. All right, so you can see Dog currently is number 122 overall with cryptocurrencies. So let's go back to Magic Eden. Again, we have it sorted by volume 1 day. So let's take a look at $1 billion cat. So $1 billion cat has been on fire. Another example, if you look at the etch number, it's rune number 72,029. So whereas Dog is number 3 overall in terms of etching, right? So in most cases, I really don't think the etch number is going to matter anymore. If it's a good meme on Bitcoin, it's got a good chance to do well. Let's take a look at them on X and see if we can get an idea for why this is pumping so hard and some more information about it. So you can see they have almost 3,000 followers. Billy to a billion on Bitcoin. That has a nice ring to it. It's a nice ticker, $1 billion cat. And their logo is the Bitcoin logo with sunglasses, which is cool. So it says website is live with meme and PFP maker. So I looked at this earlier, but let's go out to their website. $1 billion cat. So nice looking website. Again, I touched on this in my last video. Any meme token that has a good website, especially on Bitcoin, since it's so new with runes, it's a huge plus. So it looks like this is a meme maker, right? This is really neat. This is really good for engagement, user generated content. So I really like what they're doing with this. Let's look at their X account a little bit more. How often do they post? 31 minutes ago, the latest 100x meme coin on Bitcoin. $1 billion cat was deployed 2 weeks ago. Shows massive strength, breaking another all-time high. Posted by Leo. He's got 14,000 followers. Again, this is stuff I like to look at. Really good graphics, right? That looks cool. I like the idea of taking the Bitcoin logo and making it into sunglasses. That's catchy. 2 hours ago, they reposted this. Again, I'm just looking for a frequency of how often they're posting on X. 7 hours ago. Here's a video. I watched this. This guy's talking about you're not bullish enough. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I look at, but I like to see this activity. So this is definitely one that I'm going to look closer at and hopefully get an entry on a pullback. So they post a lot, right? They post a lot and it's pretty good content. They have a website where you can upload an image and make memes, which is really cool. So it looks like it has a lot going for it. $1 billion cat. Let's take a look at it closer on Magic Eden. Yeah, so it launched, it looks like on May 30th, and the chart has really been up only. So yeah, this thing has been on a tear. Right now it has 62 pending buys. Holder count is something I always look at and monitor. 2,500 holders. So if we continue to see this count go up, that's always a great sign. Supply of 1 billion, and market cap right now at about 38 million. So Billion Dollar Cat is one that I would keep my eyes on. Like I said, I'm gonna do a little bit more research on this one. Let's go back to our list here, and you can see the next one is Pigged-by-Piggy. Let's take a look at that one. All right, so this has 20 buys currently pending. It has 958 holders, small supply of 21 million. Let's take a look at the trading view chart. So this chart looks good as well. Let's take a look at them on X. Again, this is a rune with a etch number that's high, so I really don't think the etch number matters much. If it's a good meme, it's a good meme. Pigged-by-Piggy. Again, what I like to look at quickly is how often do they post. Is their content good? 20 minutes ago, play on Roaring Kitty. 45 minutes ago. So they post quite often, as you can see, 55 minutes ago. So that's a good sign. They post often. Looks like it's good meme content. They have a Telegram. 58 people in their Telegram. I don't see a website at the moment, but who knows, that could come. So this one's interesting. Let's take a look at SAIKO-HAMSTER. Chart looks really good. Let's take a look at the all-time chart. June 2nd, this one looks like it was etched. It has small supply of 21 million, 1,400 holders, 39 buys pending right now, market cap of about 5 million. Let's take a look at the trading view chart. Again, this is really nice that Magic Eden has integrated trading view advanced charts. And then this swap feature here could be huge. Whenever this is actually working, I'll do another video to test this out. Okay, let's take a look at them on X. All right, so SAIKO-HAMSTER, 1,600 followers. Give me your Bitcoin, Psycho. I don't see a website yet. So how often do they post? 8 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour, 2 hours. All right, 3 hours. So they post often. Content looks interesting. Those are all positives. So those are the three that really stand out that I see right now. One that I pointed out in my last video, that's my favorite, low cap, is Mr. Yen Japanese Businessman. That continues to do well, and they continue to put out great videos every day on X. All right, so let's see if we can buy some Doggo to the Moon, just to show you another example of how to do it. Currently, the floor is 10.18 sats. I don't have a lot of Bitcoin in this X-First wallet. Let's just take a look. Yeah, so I'm running low. I don't have much to work with here, so we're gonna have to pay a higher per sat to find a small quantity. But if this is your first time doing it, yeah, I use the X-First wallet, and then once you have an X-First wallet, go ahead and connect it to Magic Eden. Once you're connected and you have Bitcoin in your X-First wallet, you can go ahead and purchase whatever you like. In this case, we're gonna look for Doggo to the Moon. So I currently have 10,000 dog. I'd like to add to that. And like I said, we need to find a small lot size. So I found an 8,000 lot size for 11.5 sats. So yeah, I'm gonna be paying a premium, right, to get a smaller lot size. But for the example of this video, and because I like dog and I think it's gonna go higher, not financial advice, I'll go ahead and see if we can purchase some of this. Fees right now is gonna be about $6.50. So that's gonna be my total, 68.77. I'm gonna say buy 8,000. Interesting. So that popped up. Your order was partially filled. This can happen when multiple users attempt to buy the same runes lot. That's the first time I've seen that happen. Mon successfully broadcasted buy. It says 0. Let's check our wallet to see if it took anything out. Doesn't look like anything happened. Looks like somebody tried to buy that at the same time. All right, here's one. 5,000. A lot size of 5,000 for 12.22 sats per dog. Let's go ahead and click on that one. Fee about $6. Let's click buy. X-First is going to open up. You can go ahead and review your order. You'll receive 5,000 Doggo to the Moon. Confirm. Your order was broadcast. Runes will appear in your wallet once a transaction is confirmed. Let's click on view transaction. That's going to open up mempool. This is where you'll monitor the status of your transaction. It looks like ETA is about 9 minutes. It usually takes a little bit longer than what the ETA is. So I'm going to pause this video. I'll be back after it's confirmed. All right, so we have 2 confirmations. Let's go back to Magic Eden. Let's check our portfolio. You can see we now have 15,000 Doggo to the Moon, a lot size of 5,000 that we just purchased, and this 10,000 lot. I also have a video on how to split these runes into different lot sizes if you want to sell them as smaller lot sizes, so please check that out. One last thing we'll look at is our X-First wallet, and you can see we now have 15,000 Doggo to the Moon tokens in there. So my theory with runes is that if some of the volume from Solana and Base Ethereum come into Bitcoin runes at some point this year, we could see a massive run up in these tokens. So I want to position myself now. Could be wrong, but that's my thesis and what I'm looking to do. If this video is helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.